Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a VW Tiguan. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat position and all three mirrors for clear visibility. Next, locate the ignition button, usually on the right side of the steering column, and familiarize yourself with the gear selector. Understanding your dashboard's warning lights is also crucial before you begin your journey. To start your Tiguan, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal, then press the ignition button. Once the engine is running, shift the gear selector into drive for forward movement or reverse for backing up. Remember to release the electronic parking brake, typically a small button near the gear selector. Now, gently press the accelerator pedal to smoothly begin your journey. Your Tiguan offers several driving modes to enhance your experience. For instance, Sport mode provides a more responsive throttle and steering feel, while Eco mode helps you achieve better fuel economy. You can typically switch between these modes using a dial or button near the gear selector. Also, explore features like adaptive cruise control for added convenience on longer drives. When you're ready to park, bring the Tiguan to a complete stop using the brake pedal. Shift the gear selector into the park position, which locks the transmission. Always engage the electronic parking brake by pressing its button to ensure your vehicle is securely stationary. Finally, press the ignition button once more to turn off the engine and exit your Tiguan safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.